Hey there! Want to level up your Windows skills and save time? Today, I'm sharing the best Windows keyboard shortcuts that will boost your productivity. Let's dive in. First up, Win Plus A. This opens quick settings, where you can adjust Wi-Fi, volume, and more. Want to tweak your system settings quickly? Just hit Win Plus I to open settings instantly. If you're stepping away from your desk, press Win Plus L to lock your PC and protect your data. Use Win Plus R to open the run box for quick access to apps or commands. Need a clean workspace? Win Plus Control Plus D creates a new virtual desktop. Great for separating work and personal tasks. And when you're done, close that virtual desktop with Win Plus Control Plus F4. Effortlessly switch between open apps using Alt Plus Tab. A true multitasker stream. Need a quick screenshot? Press Win Plus Shift Plus S to capture and share part of your screen. Stop copying things twice. Win Plus V shows your clipboard history, so you can reuse what you copied. Clear your screen instantly with Win Plus M, handy when your desktop's a mess. Organizing files? Use Control plus Shift plus N to create a new folder in seconds. If an app's frozen, press Control plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and take control. These shortcuts will change how you work on Windows. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips.
See you next time.